Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Christy May Dasoktan. I am 30 years old. I am married. I have two daughters, age 7 and 5, and I am high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to support my family needs.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, sir, but I have experience here in Philippines for 4 years.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities to my employer: to do cooking, household chores, cleaning their house, gardening, do the market, car washing, and take care of their pets.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, sir. I took care child ages 15 years old.
Can you tell us how can you take care of a child?
I took care of a child by bathing, feeding, and assist them in their homeworks and play with them.
Aside from taking care of a child, what is your skills?
My skills are cooking, doing the laundry, washing the dishes, and do the market and household chores.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Being a domestic helper, it's necessary to be loyal, responsible, hardworking, flexible, and trustworthy.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
To my future employer in Hong Kong, please choose me or select me as your domestic helper because I am loyal, responsible, trustworthy, and hardworking person. Good day and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you.